Awesome, guys. Everyone listen up here for those who just arrived. Some safety things, guys. We can hold here. Just don't touch the metal, okay? All these metal, they will come on the front, so don't touch anything metal. When we leave the gates, we can go hands-free, okay? When we get to the bottom, it's 80-90% of the way there. The guide will wave his hands like that. When he does that, you have to cut for braking position, okay? I'll have you guys show me braking position. Hands up here, straight arms, and knees to your chest. Nice.
Got me feeling.
Just need
Woohoo, Sanu! Good luck!
All good?
Sanu, good luck!
Next two ready, runway. Alright guys, 3, 2, 1.